everybody. It's been a long time since we've done a vlog, but I thought, you know what? Today's Mother's Day, and that's, if we're going to do one, I think that's a really good reason to do a vlog. So I am heading up to celebrate Mother's Day with my family at my Aunt Madge's house. And so we're just going to have a potluck and we're going to celebrate. But I also, I baked a cake. I baked a cake because tomorrow is my sister Diane's birthday. So I'm taking the cake, and she doesn't know I baked her a cake. It's a very simple cake. And yeah, so we're going to head out soon. I'm going to pick up my other sister, and we're going to head over to Aunt Madge's. Tell I've been baking because my kitchen is a mess. But here is the cake. It is an almond olive oil cake, and it is delicious. I have made the glaze that's going to go on it, which I think makes it even more delicious. But it has a little bit of citrus in it, as well as these almonds and this beautiful butter, brown butter icing. It's starting to set, but I might have to put it in the microwave a little bit when I get there just to glaze the cake. But it is delicious. So come along with me. We're going to go up to Auntie Madge, and you'll see my mother there. I have some gifts for her, and just to tell her how much of an amazing mother she is and a great cook. And I want to thank her for teaching me all of her cooking and so many other life lessons. But we are on our way, and so come along. Look who's at the door waiting for us.
I am here waiting to welcome you.
Well, thank you. Do you want to take this for me?
I sure will. It's beautiful. Coming in?
Okay, I'm coming in.
Come right in.
Let's go. We're going to go and celebrate at Auntie Madge's condo. Living the life in the condo.
Yes. Okay, come along this way.
Oops, I was just gonna say, I hope I didn't miss you on the way.
Hi.
Wonderful, thank you. How are you?
Welcome. Hi,
Hi,
Debbie.
Angela. How are you?
I'm good. I'm vlogging. Who's here? Auntie Madge, I haven't been to your place in years and years and years.
Oh yeah, the floor has been done since you came.
Has it? What do we have here?
It's
Bread?
multi-grain bread that is made in the bread maker. And it's here.
Maybe Auntie Madge will share that recipe with us. Say hi to Auntie Madge's sister, who's
Auntie Madge's sister is Winsome.
Winsome, who's visiting from Jamaica.
And who am I saying hi to, or who's saying hi to me now?
We're saying hi. We call her the Queen because she's so regal looking. And she is saying hi to all of her friends that cook like a Jamaican.
Oh, that's nice. Well, it's nice to be here. Hope you're all having a good Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, my dear Angela. And to all the mothers out there who's been on Cook Like a Jamaican, have a wonderful day today.
Thank you, hors d'oeuvres.
Thank you. Debbie, tell us about this. What's in here?
Well, this is just our ackee with peppers, onions, and garlic with a little parsley garnish made in a bread cup.
Oh, it's a bread cup.
Yes,
That
so
looks
it's a
really
tasty
good.
bread cup.
Let's try that. How do you like it, Mom?
Salt is going to kill me.
Yeah, I've been watching my salt intake.
Why don't you tell us what's in your pots?
It's in the pot. Pot number 1. This is spare rib and in a barbecue sauce.
Looks good. So oven baked barbecue spare ribs.
That's right. And you met this one already. Number 2 is the squash soup.
Okay, I haven't had any of that yet.
Oh, you didn't have some. And this is your mom's recipes.
Yeah, rice and peas.
Yes.
Always got to have some rice and peas.
That's right. And we have some plain rice here as well.
Okay. Steamed rice.
Steamed rice. And then the rest is in the oven. This is a cow foot.
Oh,
Cow foot.
cow foot.
Yes.
Here's my cake with the icing on it. It's an almond brown butter icing. It's delicious. So that's what it looks like when it's done. That's my cake. And there's other goodies on the table. Beautiful cornmeal pudding. So a nice Jamaican cornmeal pudding that Auntie Madge made. This is actually the same thing. And then my mom made her toto. So that's her toto. She makes that a lot when we have gatherings. And then we also have an apple tart. So lots of goodies to end the meal after we eat a delicious lunch. Mother's Day lunch. Mother's Day lunch. What's that, Mom?
Cow foot.
You like that?
Yes, I do.
When's the last time you had?
Last year.
There's the ribs. They have pineapple in it. I didn't realize that. I want to taste that. With rice and cow foot, which I've never had before. So I'm looking forward to that. Alrighty. Time to eat. This is the gift that I got from my mother. It's a tote bag and there's 2 books in here. And a card. So I'm going to give this to her now. We'll see if she likes it. And let's see.
Thanks a million. What did I do to deserve all these goodies? Eh?
Well, it's Mother's Day.
Thank you. What is this? Oh, should I decide here? It's heavy.
Okay.
Is it money that's heavy like that?
No.
I know.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Diane. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you?
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Thank you. 1 candle for each 3 years.
One for each decade.
No, 10, 20, 30.
Who made the cake?
Yay!
Yeah, no, that's me.
Wasn't that
You look like you look like you want 12.
Everyone wants to know what's inside your bag. Mom, what did you get?
I got books. One
One
cooking one and one poetry to calm my nerves.
Alright.
Alrighty? You have the recipe right. Let's see what's about it.
And thank you for joining us on Mother's Day and hanging out with us. And I hope you had an amazing Mother's Day and lots of fun with everyone in your family. And so, happy Mother's Day from us at Cook Like a Jamaican to you and yours. Bye.
Bye, y'all.
Good to see people.
Yeah, so that's
I don't know people just like
Oh.
you know.
Bye, everybody.
We'll talk. I'll see you Friday.